In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable low light mode in Google Meet. Whether you're in a dimly lit room or simply looking to conserve energy while maintaining quality, enabling low light mode can significantly enhance your video call experience. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you're getting the best visuals during your virtual meetings. First, you'll want to open Google Meet on your chosen device. Once you're in a meeting or preparing to join one, direct your attention to the bottom part of your screen where you'll notice an array of icons. Look for the icon that resembles a camera or video icon. Up next, you want to find the arrow positioned right next to it. This arrow will lead you to a drop-down menu of further options. After clicking the arrow, your next step is to locate Background and Effects. This section is where Google Meet provides a variety of enhancements for your video call experience, allowing you to customize and optimize according to your needs and preferences. Click on it, and you'll find yourself presented with several choices. Now, focus your attention on the Appearance tab. Here is where you can truly personalize the visual aspect of your call. Now, within this section, there's an option that's key to our objective today, the toggle for Adjust Video Lighting. Go ahead and switch this on. This function is specifically designed to automatically correct low light situations, ensuring that even if your surroundings are less than ideally lit, your video clarity remains up to standard. When you toggle on Adjust Video Lighting, the system works behind the scenes to optimize your video feed based on the available light in your environment. It brightens your image where necessary and reduces shadows, helping you appear as clearly as possible to others on the call. It's worth noting that while this feature is incredibly useful, it may use a tad more processing power, so ensure your device is adequately charged or plugged in if needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled low light mode in Google Meet. Now you can enjoy improved video quality even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Remember, these settings make a subtle yet significant difference in enhancing communication during your virtual meetings. Take a moment to verify that your video feed looks good, and feel free to adjust any additional settings or effects in the Background and Effects menu if desired. With this setup, you're all set for a better, clearer virtual communication experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on how to adjust these settings. Happy meeting!